missing someone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video. I have another unboxing and today it's going to be of my iPhone 12 Max Pro. No, sorry, my iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is an absolute mouthful. So today I'm just going to be opening up my new phone. I actually got this on Friday morning and it's now Sunday, but I've been working the past 2 days, so it's been a struggle not opening it, but I wanted to wait and film this and just open it on a day where I can actually get to enjoy it. So the one that I got is the Graphite iPhone 12 Pro Max in the 256GB one. I've had the same phone for 2 years now, so I was due an upgrade and I decided to upgrade to this new one. I was so buzzing whenever it came out. So I took this phone out on a contract with O2. I can't remember exactly how much it was. I ended up taking out some insurance with it as well, just in case anything happened to it. 'Cause with my track record, something will probably happen to it, touch wood. But yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna start unboxing my new phone. So this is what the box now looks like. Look how thin it is compared to the usual iPhone box. Apple have been sneaky and have decided to now make you buy chargers separately. So it says on the back of it, includes iPhone 12 Pro Max and USB-C to lightning cable, power adapter and headphones sold separately. So it must come with the cable but no plug, which is fair enough I suppose. So yeah, let's just start opening it. So I love these new things that they've put on them where you just like open it. So I'm just going to stop talking and do this. Very nice. So here goes nothing. Oh my god. How gorgeous is that? It is massive. Where is my current phone? So this is the size difference between my... I'll take the case off actually. Ignore my wonky bun by the way, like I tried to put this up like 4 times and it just wants to be the leaning tower pizza, so ignore that. Here is the 12 Pro Max compared to my iPhone XS Max. I actually thought this one was big when I got it, but oh my god. How am I going to hold this in my hand, honestly? Although to be fair, like whenever I got that one compared to the XS, I thought it was absolutely massive, but you get used to it within like a day. So I don't want to get my fingerprints all over it, but this is what it looks like. It's got like metal all around the outside and they've went back to the square design obviously. I don't know if I'm a fan of it. Like I really do like the curve on this one, and this just reminds me of like an iPhone 5, but I'll obviously just need to see what it actually looks like. So it just comes with this screen protector thing on it, which just peels off like this. Okay, I take that back. It's actually stunning. It's so nice. So yeah, just your usual. It's just got the volume buttons on the side, your wee silencer and your lock button, and then just the... Wait, is this a different charger? Oh wait, no, it's the same charger. Just your charging port at the bottom and your speakers. So I'm just going to power on here. Oh, here we go. So it's just turning on. Oh, see, to be fair, like, see, whenever it's in my hand, it's not actually too big. So there we go. I'm just going to go through the setup of it. The back is actually so nice, like the matte back rather than the glass. Although this one is really nice, it's just not very practical. Like if you drop that without a case on it, the whole thing would just be smashed. So yeah, and the 3 cameras on the back. I'm really not like a tech person, so I have no idea like the ins and outs of everything, but yeah. So I'm just going to go through the setup here. So English, just all the boring stuff. I wish I could screen record this obviously so you could see what I'm doing, but it's not set up yet. So quick start, set up manually, and I just need to get my Wi-Fi password now. So yeah, I think I'm going to set my phone up as new this time. Like for the past like 3 or 4 phones I've had, I've kept like all my photos. I've got about... Let me just check how many photos I've got actually. And this is after probably deleting so many. I've got 19,000 photos, but that's since like 2017. So I think what I'm going to do is set it up as a new iPhone and then just transfer or airdrop over what I actually want. because it's just a waste of space. Like, I've already upgraded my iCloud storage and all that, and it still says like 100 times a day that I'm running out of storage. So yeah, long story short, setting up as a new iPhone. I'm just gonna set up my Face ID now. Does anyone else notice how frustrating it is where having to wear a mask all the time now, and you realise like how much you actually use your Face ID? Like when you're in a shop using your Apple Pay, you have to like do that or put your code in. First world problems, like, but annoying. Right, so Face ID. Probably shouldn't have worn makeup for this because I never wear makeup, and I'm like two different people. Yeah, anytime today. Follow the arrow. Okay, Face ID set up. Now I need to put in a passcode. Okay, so don't transfer data and apps, and now I'm just putting in my Apple ID. Don't know what my password is. What I want to know is, see this verification thing where it sends like a code to another device? Like, what if you don't have another Apple device? How do you verify it then? Okay, so it's just setting up now. I absolutely love the colour of this, like the dark grey. I've got the space grey Apple Watch, and my MacBook is also like the space grey, so everything's matching. I just love it. It's literally 5 to 3 and it's already getting dark outside. Like, right, I'm gonna set up my Apple Pay later. Okay, so appearance. Controversial topic. I prefer the light one, to be fair. Like, to be honest, I prefer the light one. Like, I use dark mode on Twitter and that's about it. Like, I just don't like how it looks on iMessage, and the fact that it like changes your Instagram and all that. Like, I don't like that, so I'm gonna go with light for the minute, and I might change my mind, but yeah. And then it just asks you for display zoom, so I'm just gonna do the standard one. So it just says welcome to iPhone. So yeah, I don't really see like much of a difference, to be honest. Like, looks exactly the same. So I don't really know what else to do on this video. Like, that's it all set up. All I need to do now is sort of like personalise it. I'm gonna go into the wallpapers here and just see what there is to choose from, but I'm pretty sure since the new iOS update it's just the same as the phone that I've got. Let me see. There's new live wallpapers, which looks quite cool. No, like everything's relatively the same. Like, there's actually more wallpapers on my old one than there is on this. So I'm assuming I might need to do a software update, but on this one, like at the minute, that's my wallpaper, which is a new one, like since I updated my phone. So yeah, I'm assuming I need to do an update. I'll go and look at my settings here. Yeah, there's a software update for me to do. So yeah, that's really it. Like, on the unboxing of the phone, that's it. All set up. In the box, all you now get is your instructions and your lightning cable, which I've just realised I don't have a plug for. So how am I meant to charge my phone? Because like the plug that comes with the old iPhone has got a USB port, so why are they like this? Like, I don't have money and I can't charge my phone, so I'm gonna need to like plug it into my laptop or something. But yeah, that is literally all that's in the box, which is good, I suppose. Like, it saves on packaging, but they're just trying to make money on buying plugs. And also at O2, I decided it would be a good idea for me to get a case and screen protectors. So I just got a crystal clear case because I am absolutely ridiculous when it comes to dropping my phone. Like, I drop it so much, and I'm so lucky that I always have a case and a screen protector on it. So this is just the case I got. I think it was £24 for the whole pack of this. Like, I think it comes with 2 screen protectors and then the case, but I got like 20% off it on uni days, so I think I got like £6.50 off it or something like that. So I'm just gonna put this on. I hate putting cases on, I'm so bad at it. And I'm gonna let someone else put the tempered glass screen protector thing on because I always end up putting air bubbles in it. Okay, that's it on. It's just clear, which I'm actually really happy about because the back of this is gorgeous. The only other thing I now need to do is put my new SIM card in, which, like, since I'm switching networks, so I'm now on O2, so I'm hoping that my number will port over like relatively quickly because I can't be bothered having like a whole new number. So yeah, I'm gonna need to do that, and then I'm sure like that is just set up complete. So I might do a what's on my iPhone or like iPhone personalization video sometime soon. Just if I get time because I'm working quite a lot recently. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed seeing me unboxing my new iPhone. I know it was a bit all over the place, but that's just me. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! to the unboxing of my new iPhone. Welcome to my